fashion is also a part of our culture, and the world didn't see, this part of Afghanistan. All the media and all the world see from Afghanistan is just war, poverty, murder, and everyday explosion and tragedy. I decided to have my models with an electric guitar in the middle of that street.
When you talk with a girl in Afghanistan, to come in front of my camera and I want to take your pictures.
I have to talk with the parents, I have to talk with the husband, even somehow with the brothers. They ask me that where you want to publish it, why, about the covering hairs, about everything. Still there are so many things that can stop me from this. When you talk about women in Afghanistan, because there are so many paradox during their life, you can see so many women in high positions in the government, in economy, in art, fashion, cinema, and everything. But still, the society is not still ready to see a woman riding or a bicycle or driving, even having the red lipstick.
After my interviews with different medias, I got some messages on Twitter. It's so clear that they are Taliban, and they try to follow me, and they try to know my location. Like, they don't want a loud voice. They don't want that I take these pictures and to show the freedom and to show something behind burqa.
The sense of fashion, I think it can be a sign of Afghan women resilience. In a society and in a conservative community and society like Afghanistan, when you talk about women, it's all about restrictions.
And I want to stay here and I want to work, but we don't know anything about the future.